Hello viewers, today I send you how to draw different types of polygons by using MSW logo software. Already I open MSW logo software. Look at here, it is MSW logo software skin. I want to draw different types of polygons. So at first I start triangle. Click on the command input box. Already I clicked here. Look at here, the cursor blinking, command input box. Now type the following comments. At first I use the normal commands, then use the repeat commands. So fd space 100 space rt space 120. Dear all viewers, I want to draw the triangle, so that's why 360 degree divided by number of sides. Here triangle consists of 3 sides, so 360 divided by 3, each turn 120 degree. So I write here RT space 120, then enter. Next, again I click the same commands and press the enter. And again I click the third times and press the enter key. So how many times I enter the commands? 3 times, because it is a triangle. Already I draw here. Now I want to hide the turtle from your skin, so press the HT command, then enter. Now the same triangle I want to draw by using the repeat commands. At first I clean it. To clean the screen and the commands consisting in your commenter window, I want to type CS for clear skin, CT for your all commands in the commenter box, I want to delete it, and ST for your show turtle. So every times when you can clean all the things, so please write here CS space CT space ST, then press the enter key. Automatically your skin must be cleaned. Then I want to draw the same triangle by using the repeat commands. REPEAT space, number of sides is 3, so I put here 3. Then put the square brackets. So I start here the opening square bracket and write the same commands. FD space 100 space RT space 120. Then put here the closing square bracket. Then simply the enter key. Okay. Already I drawn here the same triangle by using the repeat commands. Then simply put here H2, then enter key. Now I want to draw the square. So before I draw the square, again I clean the screen. CS space CT space ST. CA space CT space ST. Then simply enter. Now I want to draw the square. So simply FD space 100 space RT space 90, because 360 divided by 4. A square consists of 4 sides. So that's why 360 divided by 4. So degree of turn here 90 degree. So FD space 100, RT space 90, and press the enter key. Click the same comments, then press the enter key. Second times, click the same comments and press the enter key. Third times, click the same comments and press the enter key 4 times. Now I want to hide the turtle from the screen. HT, then enter. Look at here, it is your square that I already done in your MSW logo main screen. Then I want to clean the same things. Then CS space city space ST, CS space city space ST, then enter. I want to draw the same square by using the repeat command. So REPEAT space 4, then opening square bracket, and write the same command FD space 100 space RT space 90, then press the closing square bracket and press the enter key. Now I want to hide the turtle. HT, then enter. Amazing things, you can draw the turtle and you can draw the square, you can draw the triangle. A turtle looks like the triangle, so when you can draw any triangle, that means you can draw the turtle. Now I want to draw the pentagon. So before I draw the pentagon, I want to delete the same things from your screen. CS, CT and ST. CS space CT space ST, then enter key. Now I want to draw the pentagon, so that's why 5 sides figure and all are the closed figure. Now FD space 100, then RT space 72, because 360 divided by 5, so degree of turn here 72 degree. So press the enter key, one side, then I click the same comments, press the enter key. I click the same comments, press the enter key. I click the same comments, then press the enter key. I click the same comment, press the enter key. Amazing things is that here your pentagon drawn on your computer screen, and finally press the HT to hide the turtle. Okay, now I want to clean it. CS space city space ST, then enter. I want to draw the same pentagon by using the repeat command. So REPEAT space 5, opening square bracket, FD space 100 space RT space 72, then close the square bracket and press the enter. Amazing things is that the same pentagon drawn on your computer screen by using only single commands within a one line. And finally press the HT. Then press the enter key. Okay, that's enough today. Please follow it. Thanks to all everyone.